morning, everyone. It is Saturday morning. I wanted to give you an update on what is going on down in Disney. I know you guys probably all know that I have a vacation rental down there. It's less than 6 miles from Walt Disney World. It's brand new renovation in 2019, top to bottom. We have an in-ground pool that's heated all year round. We don't charge our guests. We have a grill. We have a spa. It's 8 bedrooms, 4.5 bath. Fabulous place. Really fun little resort community that we're a part of. You guys have also heard that Walt Disney World is closed till the end of the month. So, what does that mean? Well, I'm going to tell you. So we've had a few guests decide to reschedule. We've had a few guests decide to stay. We do have availability now March 21st to April 2nd. That's our availability. We usually are 100% booked. We were 100% booked this month. We have that vacancy now, and I want to invite you to come and enjoy this time. If you don't want to fly, get in your car and drive down and take advantage of our amazing, amazing prices. We are over 50% off what we normally charge this time of year for those times. And on top of that, we'll give you an additional 10% off if you book directly through my website and you send me a DM. So besides the amazing deals and prices that you're going to get right now to come and stay at Mad Men Magic Kingdom House, there's also some other really good reasons why now is a really good time to go down and enjoy this, even though Disney is closed. Okay, so first of all, the weather is perfect down there. Okay, so the weather is like in the upper 60s at night, up in the 80s, mid 80s during the day. It's beautiful. So the weather is perfect. This is the time to go down to Florida, enjoy just the sunshine. So I was telling you a little bit about our house and why our house is a really fun place to go. Not only is it big and expansive and open floor plan and lots of fun rooms and things like that, and our heated pool outside, we also have a game room, we have a smart TV, we have Disney Plus. Our resort community itself has a nice walking trails. It has an awesome tiki bar that's outside, so you don't have to think like if you don't want to go out to a restaurant itself, you can go to this outdoor tiki bar area, get some quick bites, get some drinks, enjoy being outside in the beautiful weather. So I'm really excited to tell you a little bit more about what there is to do around Kissimmee over the next week. I'm going to be going into a little bit more detail, but right now I'm just going to go over a few little things. While the theme parks are closed down in the area, there's so many fun things that you can still do that are staying open, that are outdoor kind of activities that you don't have to worry so much about all this stuff going on. So one is the Island Grove Wine Company, which is less than 5 minutes from Mad Men Magic Kingdom House. You can tour the winery, you can do wine tasting, you can do craft beer tasting, they have an outside bistro, you can sit outside and enjoy the weather because it's beautiful weather. So the second thing I'll mention is Florida is known all throughout the country that it has some of the best golfing areas in the entire country. So there's amazing golf areas that you can go. Even the Disney golf places are still open right now. And I called them, they all say they are not planning on closing. So if you want to plan a last minute golfing trip, now is the time. We have all these beds in our house. You don't have to worry if you have a group of guys and you don't want to all stick together. We have 8 bedrooms. You guys will definitely be able to have a nice place for your golfing trip. What else is Florida known for? Well, you guys know Florida's known for their beaches. We are an hour away from some of the best beaches in the world, in the country. A fun little day trip. Get in your car, drive on down to Cocoa Beach, Clearwater Beach, have a little day trip on the beach. Disney Springs is staying open, which is a really fun place to go walk around outside, eat at a restaurant and sit outside. There's lots of restaurants out there that you can sit outside. Also, there's tons of miniature golf places right around where our house is, like 10-15 minutes drive. Really, really cool places that I'll tell you guys more about. And also lastly, what I'll mention is really, really fun is airboat tours. So that, talk about ventilation. You won't have to worry about anything out when you're shooting all over the beautiful lakes and swamps and everything of Florida. And so there's sunset tours, there's night tours, there's day tours. They're not closing either. So these are some of the fun things that you can still do that you really should take advantage of the prices right now and get on out, get out of your house. The cabin fever I know is driving you guys all crazy already. Get in your car, drive on down to Florida and enjoy some sunshine. Take advantage of what's going on with the prices right now with travel. So everyone, thank you so much for watching this video. Give it a like, give it a thumbs up. It helps, your small business friends out there that are trying to stay afloat. So time to jump on it and take advantage. Send me a message and I'll give you that extra 10% off. And I hope that we can host you during this time and in the future. Take care, everyone. God bless.